Yo, what's up, guys? Let's try and get the stream link real quick. Let's try and get this spreadsheet all out of the way. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, I'll start talking soon, so yeah, get this fixed. Everything is good, right? My voice sounds good. No volume? Wait, can y'all hear me? Yeah, so there's news at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's wait for a few more people to join up, and I'll start doing my analysis. Is this screen a bit blurry or should for some reason it just looks pretty blurry on my screen? Okay, let's see. Let's just wait for 50 viewers and then I'll start marking out my stuff. Welcome, guys, welcome. Hey, Habibi. Got you right. I guess I'll just start right now. On a daily time frame, there is a high right here. But for the beginner strat, we're not using daily buys, so on the 15-minute chart, I just see this liquidity right here, and ideally for this, I want to use the hourly higher low, so this would be my ideal liquidity to play. Either this, or it can reach up into here and I'll play this too. Got 4 more minutes till the market starts. You know what I would love to see happen because we do have a high impact news. I would love for us to get a setup like below a liquidity or above these liquidities, and we can just play it, get a nice move with the news. That's kind of what we did yesterday. Yeah, just like yesterday. But right now, I'm just waiting to see what happens. Pretty sure that we will purge these liquidities up here, and maybe we might get up to go down here. That'd be my ideal scenario. Maybe grab salsa and make higher. Yeah, honestly, I'm just waiting for any liquidity to get purged, and I'm gonna play that. Ron, wait, usually when you're going with the funded account, do this. Okay. Can you guys see my mouse? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, the profit. Okay, so wait, usually when you do a funded account, you have to pass 2 phases in order to get a real account, and you'll get paid out on profits for that. But for Elite Trader Funding, the one I'm using, it's only one day. It's only a one phase evaluation. So right now, I have to get to $2,000 in profits to get past the first phase. And currently, I'm up $363 from yesterday. So it's most probably gonna take me around like 1, 2, or 3 weeks to hit that 2,000. But I'm not trying to rush anything. We just took midnight open. Mark out the midnight open. It's right here. No, no, I am feeling a bit bullish, I guess. Oh, the minimum trade needs is 5. Okay, market is open. Let's see what the market hands us. Oh, wait, there is different profit targets. Honestly, you should just go on the website and see for yourself. The rules are a bit different from like FTMO or my Forex funds, but honestly, I do like FTMO better. But the only thing about FTMO is that there is no broker from the account that allows you to trade directly on TradingView. So I think that's really why I like Elite Trader Funding. Okay, let's see. So it seems like we're going up to these liquidities up here. Okay, guys, and just remember this strategy, it's not designed to have a high win rate. You're not gonna there will be a lot of moments where you end up taking a loss, but you see, like, you look right here, I'm up there, I'm risking $100 per trade, right? So that means I can lose 3 trades in a row and I'll still be up $63 in profit, you know? It looks like liquidity right here is getting purged. I really hope we get a nice setup for the news. Any divergence? Let me look. Show you this. I'm sorry for the newer traders. It's gonna just ignore this part. I'm just talking to more advanced people here. We're on the hourly. We do have the NAS is making high right here. The Dow US 30 right here is making lower low. So we do have on ES we do have for NAS least we do have a divergence, but just gotta wait and see what the market does right now. Yeah, NQ is looking pretty strong, but the Dow is looking pretty weak at the same time. And S&P is just kind of like floating between. I really hope we get another 5 minute candle because I do not, if this becomes an order block, I do not want. It's way too big. Yeah, I think we're most probably gonna go up here. Daily FAG at 30. Oh yeah, yeah. This is very interesting spot. I think I was something on a weekly. Yeah, on a daily we do have this. Actually, I'm gonna mark this. Looks like we are purging this liquidity right here. The US 30 is making S&T divergence. So I think if we do get a nice setup here, it's gonna be a nice play. Yeah, for all you more advanced ICT traders, I understand you guys, but this stream is for like to help the newbies a bit more using the beginner strats. So yeah, there will be some losses I might take knowing that I was most probably gonna take that loss, but I'm just trying to help the more newbie traders. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, looking at S&P, I think this is a very high probability liquidity grab. Could send us lower to this fair value gap. Do you think the rally could be predicted to diverge in lows and exchange? Are you talking about like from over here? The FX capital? Yeah. There actually was an SMT divergence on the US 30 in the morning over here. No, I mean not US 30 with the NAS. You know the it's kind of 1 minute over here. About where I was looking. Okay, yeah, Wick, the US 30 made lower low here. S&P right here is kind of like break flat on this, and the NAS made a higher high. So, right here you have your break of structure, an FEG, and you could have got a nice entry over here on FEG. And probably exit out here. That'd be a nice trade in the morning, but I don't really trade until after 9:30. I really hope to get another green candle at least. $6.20 low. Okay. Yes. No, the SMT was with NAS. Honestly, the 1 minute OB is kind of playing out, but we're not playing 1 minute. We're looking at 5 minute. When do I teach the advanced strategy? Like, uh, I'm gonna make a thread on it and a YouTube video on it. Probably anytime this week. Maybe not today, but I wanna wait a bit on it before I do because I don't wanna confuse the people who followed me for the beginner one. I will put together an advanced version soon, anytime this week. News in 21 minutes so far. I really hope we do get a proper order block so we can play it down to here to this liquidity. You know why on my trading view has a 2 minute? Because this CME mini, you have to pay a $4 a month subscription on TradingView in order to get access to the data. Otherwise, you can have a 10-minute delay. We took the 1 minute OB. You're getting paid, my dude. Yeah. Bankroll Hamid. You paid, bro. I really want to take this 1 minute order block too, but I'm not doing it for the sake of the stream. We're only sticking to 5 minute order blocks. If I was playing the 1 minute order block, I think I'd probably get out below the 9:30 open right here. Or maybe have partials at least. No problem, Ken. No problem. Damn, we're about to hit 100 viewers. Holy shit. It's only my second stream too. It's crazy. Ooh, I really hope. Oh, yes. I really hope we get an order block. 5 minute order block. NAS is looking so strong while the US 30 is so weak. 100 viewers, guys. Holy shit. Let's see. Let's see. This is the market one, dude. Ideally, what I want to see. Overall, I am bullish today, but I want to see market come down to here and then reverse back up and go make new highs again. That's what my ideal step would be. Do you look the triad? What's the triad? Thirty, 15. Well, I'm confused with what you're saying, FX Capo. Yeah, I know. There's news that in 17 minutes. Honestly, if we don't get a proper setup, let's just see. So I'm just gonna be patient right now. Just say hypothetically this orb block is valid. This would be a 1.2 hour trade. Maybe I feel like we might take out a little bit more stuff. You see, like Waco, I like the 1 minute OB, but with 1 minute OB, it's very high risk, high reward. So you will take a lot more loss in the 1 minute, but at the same time, you'll have much more bigger winners. But this is more for like, that's why I say the 1 minute is for more like advanced, more experienced traders because they know how to handle more losses. But yeah, this is exactly why I am only stick to 5 minute. Oh yeah, that is a good point. Bull flag at a liquidity level, it's obvious. It's obvious reversal, and we're getting SMT divergence on US 30. I feel like this could be a very good short play to down here. Ooh, honestly, I hope we get an order block up here. It's gonna be such a nice short. Unless price just goes directly into the FUG. Something. Okay, Ice-T has these like if you watch his core content, he has like mini templates. So I'm kind of using this template as a reference for today. You can see right here from open, we make a new high and we have a liquidity and index SMT on highs. So we are getting SMT divergence with the US 30 and this should send us down here. And then after we take out this liquidity, we should make new highs. But that's only if we do get a reversal. Yeah, honestly, right now, it is kind of flying away from its liquidity. I think at this point it's a bit too far. It's gone too far from the liquidity level here, so yeah, I don't think we're really gonna have a play for right now for the news at least. Yeah, I'm not gonna force a news play. I'm just gonna if the market does decide to show its hand to me, then I'll grab its hand and take the play. Okay, yeah, we are tapping into the daily FEG right here. Okay, in the meantime, I can give you guys some very good psychology tips about handling losers and winners and why win rate doesn't matter. Would you guys be down for that? All right, bet. Okay, right. Yeah, I guess since we don't really have a player, I'm gonna talk about it right now. So let me give you guys some examples. Uh, so let's say that you see some trader on Twitter, right? And he has 100K account, and he makes $50,000 profit. So when you look at a $50,000 profit, you know he might have had 20 losers and 10 winners to get that $50,000 profit. So when you first see that guy's profit, you're not gonna be like this guy has 20 losers and 10 winners. This guy is bad at trading. You're only gonna be thinking that this guy made $50,000 at trading. Damn, that's so much money. This guy must be good at trading, you know? So if you kind of look at it from that perspective, you'll start realizing that like, at the end of the day, you have to stop thinking about your winning trades only. You have to kind of like, you can't think about your profits after one winner, right? You have to look at it from like a series of multiple trades, Am I profitable over the next 10 trades? That's the way I look at it. For me, I do every 12 trades. I'll be mad if I'm not profitable after every 12 trades. So, I'll let my emotions handle me after I take 12 trades. Because I know that's where because my strategy is gonna give me some losses, but I know in the overall grand scheme of things, over a series of multiple trades, I will be profitable. And if after that 12 trades, I'm still in a loss, that means I need to reevaluate what I'm doing wrong. I'm probably making some mistakes somewhere. But you can't let one loser affect you at all. And where I got the psychology stuff mastered is actually from Mark Douglas. Have any of you guys heard of him? A Trading Zone, yeah. Yeah, he also has like there's like a four-part series, like which each video being an hour long on YouTube. Yeah, I honestly think that after I watched him, that was like kind of like my turning point in my trading. Like I knew I had the right strategies and stuff, but after I watched this video, that is what that's where I found my turning point in trading. I'm going from losing so many trades to seeing consistency finally. What do you call you know, actually, I would technically I am a full-time trader and a student at the same time. I'm studying computer science because I have plans to like do like a tech startup soon, and I want to use trading to build capital, you know, to be able to fund my business ideas and stuff. And I did quit my job back in May. I was like an interning at an accounting firm, and I ended up quitting that in May. I worked there for 2 years. I was making in the stock market. I was making more money than what I was working for. Where am I from? I'm from Pakistan. Pakistan with the accent. Yo, salam, bro, salam. What makes me be consistent again? Yeah, honestly, yeah, I found a consistency once I mastered my psychology in trading. And honestly, once you master psychology in trading, like it applies to so many other parts of your life. No, I didn't go to trading school, man. I'm so thankful. If you guys know of TT Trades, back when he was like only 200 Twitter followers, I found him on some Discord, and I was asking him for some like Twitter growing advice. And you know, I followed him on Twitter, and he was posting ICT content, and I got into ICT, and I am like you know back then, like a year ago, I was making a few thousand from like retail strategies, but then once the market started going down, I just kept losing so much money. And once I found ICT, learning this concept, it took me like 1 or 2 months before I started seeing any results with ICT, and boom, I this is where I am today. How do you create your system? Uh, I would like to trade the London session, but I mean honestly, bro, with the London session, I don't know. I guess it's something that you guys are gonna have to test it out yourself because this strategy, I'm just kind of used to trading. I usually trade from 9:30 to 3, so I've just noticed that my highest probability is wake up within the 9:30 to 12 p.m. lunch hours. See what the market is doing. Okay, as of right now, only the quiz I'm watching are just this down right here, and on the 15-minute time frame, I'll be watching if any highs or lows form. That could also be possible liquidities for us to play. Okay, Waco. This strat, uh, I play in a more like in a more like advanced version of it. But the thing was, you know, the guy that made was that you know a lot of like beginners won't really understand that. So I kind of like add the rules and back test to see which rules would be the easiest for beginners and why I have on my Twitter thread as what I've come up with so far. And so we call it on my main account. You know, I trade using my own personal analysis, and then this new account I just got yesterday is purely only for the beginner strat to show you guys that it does work and to help you guys, guide you guys a bit. Just hit daily OB. Well, yeah, honestly, Wake Up when it comes to order blocks, I really like it more when it comes to the body because from what I've seen from ICT's analysis, he most of the time the order blocks are like have the most reaction from the body. Wake up the main account strategy. It's actually just the advanced version of the strategy that I will be making a thread soon within this week. And oh wait, what do you call with the advanced use a stop rate as in smart money reversal? Play the market maker model. Okay, when it comes to like market maker models, I use that. I look at those more in the higher time frame to get my daily bias. And yeah, stop rate, a smart reversal. Yeah, if you get confirmation of a liquidity purge, I'll be looking to play that. Let me think of any other good things I can tell you guys. Oh wait, actually, the news is coming out in 45 seconds. I want to see what happens. Let's put the daily. Yeah, unfortunately, there is no stuff we can use to play the news. Yeah, 10. Yeah, 1 minute. How do you previously manage to work and trade at the same time? Bro, honestly, it was super tough, man. Dude, honestly, I don't even remember. It was I'd be missing a lot of trades sometimes. I'd be messing with my emotions. To be honest, that was such a hard time. I don't want to remember it, to be honest. My brain just physically can't remember anymore. We call it, everyone has their own struggles in life they have to get through, and everyone's journey is different at the end of the day. But the destination is the same place. Okay, news is out. The market is barely reacting to it. This this news didn't feel that high impact, to be honest. Let me see what Twitter is saying right now. Check my Twitter. Yeah, okay. Well, lucky again. I missed my entry talk. I'm reading Ice T's Twitter. Looks like he had an entry in. Yeah, you know, honestly, what you call with ICT, the news itself doesn't mean shit at all. It's the algorithms use news as an excuse to deliver to a price where it wants to go. If the algorithm wants to bring price down, it's not gonna care if the news is the best in the world. It's gonna bring that price down, regardless. Guys, just remember there. You know, every day doesn't mean that there will be a setup. Just waiting patiently, seeing any liquidity levels that the market gives us. Okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, this FVG right here. It does look like a good long entry, but I would never have taken this anyways because yeah, first of all, it's in a premium, and second of all, yeah, I just want to enter on this because we're also at liquidity right here. You never know. We could have just reversed from this liquidity level to down here because there's equal lows right here. So the only people who should be taking this FAG are like insanely experienced traders, but as a newbie, like do not worry if you missed out on this because like I didn't play this either. Really low. Choose other three. Oh, are you talking about oh, are you talking about from here to here? Yeah, I was actually talking about this on my stream earlier about how there's the S&P divergence on NAS and what you call with a market structure shift right here, and you could have taken this FVG right here and targeted this high right here. It's been a nice like 4 or 5 hour, but this was before 9:30, so I don't really look at I don't really play the market until after 9:30 open. What do you call it? If you are using elite trader funding and it keeps saying the symbol's invalid, go on your TradeOvit account and use the same logins for there. And once you log in, it's gonna give you this like forms of agreements thingy right after your login, and all you do is agree to it, and then you should be able to trade on TradingView. Usually only enter after 9:30 because that's when the New York Open is, and that's where the highest volatility is. And there has been a lot of times where after 9:30, the market seeks liquidity a lot of times, and that has got me stopped out a lot of times when I trade before 9:30. So I've noticed that my best executioning levels for me personally are after 9:30. Sep is forming the 5 minute. There is no liquidity to play 5 minute at least. But we are getting SMT divergence on the 1 minute actually. Honestly, this does Is this daily FVG? Let's see. This could be a nice short here, but I'm not playing this. I'm not playing this, guys. Okay, guys. There is no valid entry with the strat over here. There's previous high, the 1 hour 38.33. Actually, to be honest, no, I wouldn't really count that. That hourly is way too far. That's way too far. Yeah, wait, guys, the stream might get a bit boring because there's anything on watch right now. I'll just be answering questions here and there. Okay, let me go down the questions first. Is there any difference between the ES and the MES? No, ES is the exact same thing as what I'm trading. The only reason there's an M at the beginning is because that stands for micro. That's the futures contract I'm trading. If you look at ES and you see how they're exactly the same. They're exactly the same. Isn't higher time from FVG like the daily a grab a liquid also could disrupt it? Okay, Wake, you do have a right point, but uh, uh the strat is for beginners, so they won't understand any of that. But I will tell you a lot of juicy stuff in the advanced version. Do you ever use the second base charts like with? No, I do not use the 15-second charts. It just overcomplicates things. My goal is not to predict every move with 90% win rate. My goal is just to make money. We all are here to make money, not to predict the market precisely. We still are in the weekly FEG. And we got on the monthly. After next week, I feel like we're gonna have a monthly fair value gap here soon. I feel like that's gonna be super super juicy to play. How long have I been trading for? Around 3 years now. Yo, what's up, Jeff? Jeff A. How is it? Bro, holy shit, 116 view. Maybe on my second stream. That's crazy, man. I'm having difficulty with bearish and bullish FEGs fighting each other on different time frames. Any suggestions? If if that is happening, then don't trade it. It's simple. We're having a tough time deciding what the market's gonna do. That means that the market is probably in a very tricky condition that your probability for losing becomes much higher than winning, and you don't want to be trading that condition. Every trade that you take should be in a condition where your probability for winning is the highest. That's exactly why I have some of the rules I've laid out. Like, my condition for winning is from 9:03 to 12 o'clock. The strategy, yes, it can be applied out of that trading zone. There will be setups here, but the condition and probability for winning is lower. So I have no reason to trade outside that zone, that time zone. Watching from the US. Yeah, I live in Texas too. How long will I live stream for? Uh, how long will be live stream for? I mean, ideally, I want to live stream until we get a setup, but for right now, since we don't really have a setup, what I might do is just like I might leave the stream running and like I might be just doing my own thing. And then once there's a setup, I'll start talking again. Why isn't that bullish 5 minute candle considered to be an order block? I'm assuming you're talking about right here. You see, the thing is, this is a valid order block, but it's not a high probability order block. There's a high chance that this could fail because a high probability order block is one where that's formed above a liquidity, and there isn't really any like high or low that I've mentioned, 50 minute or hourly high or low to play. So you guys might watch this fail like right now, to be honest. See, like for you guys who are actually, I'm not gonna say anything until this order block does actually fail, but I'm not in any trade right now. The only liquidity I'm watching so far is just down right here, and if we get one forming throughout the day. All right, fat boy. I'll see you later. Oh, okay, okay. Oh yeah, yeah. I want to tell you guys about uh playing news. So there is like there's high impact news, right? And then there is some of the news in high impact which are like extremely volatile, like FOMC, CPI, NFP. You do not want to trade those type of news. I never trade FOMC, NFP, or CPI data. I only trade the high impact news, just like the PPI or whatever, like news yesterday. That's not like it will move the market, but not to a point where like it's like instantaneously move or like make gaps, voids in the market. Because that way, if I am wrong, at least I can get stop lossed out and manage my risk. But if I'm wrong with CPI data or NFP, I can literally lose my whole account because my stop loss is just gonna get gapped over. What do you do when you're waiting for your setup? Uh, Honestly, when I'm waiting for, it's a good question. I never really thought about that. I guess I just like do other shit, or I'll just maybe scrolling to Twitter or something. Uh, okay, guys. If you know this 15-minute candle doesn't close above this candle, then we'll get a 15-minute high right here, and this could be a valid liquidity play. Okay, guys, I think I might take, I'm still gonna leave the live stream running, but I'm gonna take a break for like 10-15 minutes, then I'll be back. But the live will still be running. Just add some text. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be taking a break real quick, and then I'll be, if there's a sub, I will be watching my phone, and I'll come back immediately. Guys, I'm back. Um, yeah, it seems like we're not gonna get a 15-minute high right here. Let's look at the other indexes are doing. Okay, yeah, I guess today is just gonna be a weird day because we just delivered to a very big objective, daily objective right here. It's daily free rally gap. So I don't really think we're gonna have any setup until mm, like the next hour at least. Dollar's getting higher and yes getting higher. Not really. No, I don't have any Discord. I have no Discord, no nothing. I only got Twitter and YouTube Live. I will create Discord soon, but not right now. I actually have a plan for our Discord to get like high quality people, and I'm gonna do something special where like you have to like enter your like risk management, like your like journal trades in there, and if you don't, you're gonna get kicked out. That way, it'll force you to like start journaling your trades and become a better trader. That's something I do have in my plans right now, but it's gonna take a lot of work, so it's gonna take like at least more than a week. Oh, you guys can hear my eating? My bad. I was eating a sandwich my mom made me. Yeah, guys. For right now, I don't see how old am I? I'm like 21. I started trading when I was like 17, so like a little over 3 years, around 3 years. NQ is we are having SMT divergence with NQ. I do see that. I do see that. Guys, but for right now, for the beginner strat at least, I don't really see any setups as of right now. So I think I might stop the stream, but on Twitter, I will probably let you guys know if there's liquidity that I might be looking at. So make sure you have the Twitter notifications on, and make sure your timeline on Twitter is set to latest tweets, not your recommended tweets. Yeah, yeah, Muhammad, I do see that. I do see that. But if I do play, it's gonna be more of my own personal play. I don't really want to live stream my main account because I don't want to confuse my beginner traders. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get off here. There's nothing really much to watch on the market right now. I will be releasing a more advanced version of the guide. But so far for the strategy start this week, we only have we took one trade so far, and it was like a 3.6 R winner. Took it yesterday, and for today, I can take a loss and I'll still be profitable. So don't let a loser affect you. But other than that, I will let you guys know on Twitter if I see a valid liquidity that I'm gonna play for the strat at least. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will be on by 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, Monday through Friday. And I'll see you guys later. And salam to you my Muslim fellows.